Hello everybody, this is Zuri and welcome back to the channel. So in today's art lesson, we're going to be drawing a lion in the jungle. So grab all your art supplies and let's get to drawing. Alright, so after putting in that grid, I'm going to jump right into it. I'm first going to lightly sketch in my background and then start on the lion himself. I'm going to first use basic shapes to do that and then add in the details later. The line surround this is going to be pretty basic. I'm just going to add in some bushes, some grass. I'm going to put in a mountain in the background and add in a beautiful sky with clouds. So let's start coloring in the scenery. So I'm going to use two basic greens to do this, apple green and regular green. Apple green will be the start of the show. I'm going to use this to color most of the grassland with. And then I'm going to use regular green to color in the bushes and the scrubs. Going in with Orchid for the mountain area. I'm going to use light blue for the sky, and then finishing off the clouds with beige. I'm going to use two colors to line the lion. I'm going to use first a basic black, and then I'm going to take the color cocoa brown and put it on top of that. Now we have gotten to the star of the show, the lion himself. I'm going to use various of colors to build him up. The first thing I will do is use the color Orchid as majority color for him. When it comes to the mouth area, however, I'm going to use the color yellow. So I'm going to jump in with a basic brown to color in his fur around his face. And I'm also going to put this color on the end of his tail. I'm then going to go back to his body, put in some shadow with the color bright yellow. On top of that, I'm going to do the color yellow to kind of add in another layer on his main body. And then to top it off as a highlight and brighten him up, I'm going to use the color beige. taking the color khaki green, I'm going to use this as a shadow underneath his paws. Alright everybody, so that includes the end of this art tutorial. If you all enjoyed, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next art tutorial. Bye bye everybody.